Top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week, episode 10. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, as usual, we're going to continue with the top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. At the end of this video, I reveal the names of the 2 people who won our last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won, stick around to the end. First niche of today is the corner notebook. I don't even know what this is. Corner notebook. Please let me know in the comment section below what corner notebook is. Or after this, I'm actually going to do some research to find out more about this. But I found this on Creative Fabrica and apparently it's 414 results. So that is what you should do if you're on Creative Fabrica. I recommend that you go to Creative Fabrica, find some niches for yourself because although I reveal niches every Friday here on my channel, but I'll recommend that you do your own personal research. If you want to do additional books, go to Creative Fabrica just like I do, find some niches and validate it and upload some books to it. So that's how I came across this corner notebooks. I didn't even know what it is. And apparently on Amazon, there are 14 results, 414 results. Sorry about that. 414 results. And scrolling down, here are the books that I found on it. They're definitely KDP books. I don't know if you can tell the difference between KDP books and not KDP books. So non-KDP books, we have the spirals on the book, but Amazon KDP are plain books like this, just like that. And look at this, it's actually doing very well. And all of them are sponsored. That shows you the number of people who won. All of them are sponsored. Look at the BSR of these books and take a look at their sales too. This one is what, 40 sales or something like that, 207 sales. Anyway, this is not KDP. Let's look at this one right here. Estimated sales 11, 17, and so this niche right here is a golden niche, just 414 results. And if you want to take a look at KDP Spy, one of the tools that I recommend for KDP niche research, let's just give a start and see how much revenue people are getting from this. So look at this one right here. It is actually see, all of these are making sales 76, although that's not much. Let's keep scrolling. So this one, look at this one right here. Sweet Jolly Notebooks, $203 per month from just one book. So this is how I search for niches. I see if it's actually selling. And here's a BSR. So this is exactly what you should be doing with all your niches, checking if it's selling using tools like this. This one right here is KDP Spy by bookbolt. I've spoken a lot about bookbolt in the past, but I'm not going to do it in this video. If you want to watch those videos, they're on my channel. Another tool that I use is Publisher Rocket. All of the links to these tools are found in the description below. So let's go to Creative Fabrica and see the interior I found for you guys. This is a KDP Corner notebook, and it's 8.5 by 11 PDF editable PowerPoint template. And someone was asking me in my previous video that is the interior is not going to be the same in all of Amazon if everyone has to purchase interiors from Creative Fabrica. And my response was this: you can always edit your interiors. That's why they give you as PowerPoint templates and as a PDF tool, so you can edit it. And as a PowerPoint template or as a PDF, I use a tool known as Sejda. Just go to sejda.com and you're gonna be able to edit your templates or edit your PDF template. It's just for PDFs. But for PowerPoint, of course, you can just open the PowerPoint and start editing. So look at this. Five people have added it to favorite, and it's April, February, level 100 pages. Bleed on one PDF and one PowerPoint. So that's it for the first niche. Moving on to the second niche is the walking journal. So I really don't know what people want to use this for walking journals. Do they want to count their steps? Or I'm not sure about that. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have ever used a walking journal. Because if I want to count my steps, I'll just open an app on my phone and count my steps. And that should do. But apparently people need books for this. So that's why we're here to create books. It's 1,000 results on Amazon. Scrolling down, let's take a look at the top niches or the top books in this niche. Look at this. It's actually doing well. This one right here is not KDP. This is KDP. And 30 results, 30. This is actually the same book sponsored. You see this? You should always sponsor your or advertise your book. It's actually making sales. And let's go to Creative Fabrica to see what Creative Fabrica has for us. So this is a KDP walking journal. It is 8.5 by 11 PowerPoint and PDF ready to upload to KDP. And you can get it for 40 cents. But instead of getting this for 40 cents, I would just recommend you go for the monthly plan, $19 a month, and you can have all the templates here. And you have access to all the templates instead of buying individual templates to use. That is what I recommend. And there's a link in the description if you want to learn more about Creative Fabrica. Moving on, 15 people have added this to favorites and it's available as a PDF, PowerPoint, 100 pages, April 5 by 11, and the bleed is on. Moving on to the third niche of the day is the Kids Gratitude Journal. So the Kids Gratitude Journal has over 2,000 results on Amazon, and here are the top books that are doing very well on Amazon. Here's the bestseller, and bestseller is priced at $6.99. So if you want to make a book similar to this, you should always make a book that has a price of lower than the bestseller, like $5.99 will do. Then we get some reviews, then you can increase the price. So take a look at the books if you want to make a cover. Let's take a look at KDP and see if there's a cover for this. So this book right here, kids journal book, this is actually very beautiful. Look at this. So let me scroll up so you can see everything. I'm a girl, I'm a boy. This grateful journal belongs to. Then you have some drawing stuffs inside. It's very pretty. And for what? Only oh yeah, $4.99. So here's the book, and it's very pretty. PSD. This for Photoshop. If you want to do some editing, some PDF, 142 pages, a paper by 11. And let's go to Amazon and see if anyone has the name or the number of pages on in their title. So looking at this right here, I don't see any number of pages, and that's what I always recommend that you do. You should write the number of pages that you have on your book. This will encourage me. Like if I want to buy a book, I'll always look at the title. I always look if the title can tell me everything I want to know about the book. For example, I'd like to know the number of pages that I'm buying. I'd like to know if its value is if what I'm buying is of value. And although these books have not written any pages, that is what I would recommend that you do. It makes you stand out from the rest. So here's the interior. Like, look at this. 89 people have added this to favorite. This shows you the number of people who want to get into this niche. So waste no time and get into this niche as soon as possible. Moving on to the fourth niche of the day. The fourth niche of the day is the trading logbook. So those who are into cryptocurrency and digital money and things like that, they really need trading logbooks. So here are the top books that are doing well on KDP. This one right here is definitely a KDP book. This one too, KDP book. So this one is a notebook and this one is a logbook. So if you wanna look at this, 93 reviews for this book, $6.99. So let's take a look at the interior and see what it entails. So So this is how it looks like, and this is the interior. It's just notes, 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 and notes. Wow, is that all? All right, there's a stock name, code quantity, date, buy price, and sell price. So that's what this book is all about. Let's take a look at the interior on Creative Fabrica and see what it has to offer. Trading logbook. Oh, actually, this one is a logbook, and this one is a notebook. It says here notebook, logbook. So it's actually both. Anyway, our own looks far more superior. If I can see, it has a target, profit, loss, cost, net return, then the notes. You have trading goals, the date, short-term investment plan, long-term investment plan, and contact information. I think it's far more advanced than this one. So that's what customers do. Customers will log into or look inside the book, and if they see that maybe your interior is far more superior than this one, look at this one is just the target price, stop price, and all like over and over again. We've come to the end. Let's go back over and over again, the same thing. But ours is quite different. It's far more superior. 8 people have added this to favorite and priced at $2.99. Available as 120 pages, a prefer by 11 PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint. So you can edit this if you want. Now moving on to the last niche of the day is the black paper line journal. Actually, this is not a niche. This is actually a bonus. I'm not recommending that you get into this niche because it's over 60,000 results. I always recommend that you go for a niche which is less than 10,000 results. But the reason why I brought up this niche is because I've never heard about black paper line journal before. Please let me know in the comment section below if you've ever heard about black paper line journal prior to this video. So I was fascinated by it. That's why I put it on this video. I searched for it on Amazon to find out what actually it is. Actually, I first came across it on Creative Fabrica. I was like, wait, black paper journal. How do you write on a black paper? It was fascinating. So I did some more research on it, and actually, you use a white pen to write on a black paper book, or you could use a gel pen. It says for white ink and gel pens. So that's how I came across. That's how I came to know about this black paper journal. So and it's actually doing well on Amazon, as you can see. This one right here is KDP. This is not KDP. This is not KDP. This one is KDP 133 reviews. This one is 27 reviews. So it's actually doing well. This one is priced at $8.99. So there's some hefty royalties going on right here. And so that's the reason why I put this niche up here. Actually, I won't recommend that you go into it, but if you want to go into it, just make sure to advertise, because looking at this is just one person that is advertising. So I recommend that you start at $5.99. Then if you want to increase your price, you can increase to five. Well, you can increase to $5.99. Well, you can increase to $6.99 if you've got enough reviews, because if you're starting off, you need more reviews to compete with books like this that already have social proof. So on Creative Fabrica, this is the interior that I found that drew my attention. I was like, whoa, a black paper book, how do you do this? So 2 people have added this to favorites, and this is how it looks like in the interior. It's K at Studio, yeah, that made this book. So it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then the date, and you can write whatever you want to write in the interior. And it says this notebook belongs to. So I thought it was a cool idea, actually. Please let me know in the comment section below if you've ever heard about black line paper journal. So let's move on to the second part of this video, which is revealing those who won our last week's giveaway. So congratulations, Remy Whittle and Eloise White, for winning our last week's giveaway. Please contact me to claim your prize. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.